Goodbye, son. Have a wonderful day.
I will, Dad. See you this afternoon.
You can sit right here with us.
Oh, thank you very much. Hey, did you guys do Miss Della's homework?
No way! We played all night.
Children, please keep sitting. Hey now, pause to yourselves.
You won't believe what happened. I always miss my bus.
What's that light? Is that above us?
Guys, something's not right.
Oh my God!
What's happening?
Oh no! What? Scared.
What's happening? I want to go home!
Somebody do something.
Run! Everyone run!
Wait, don't go too far.
It's coming back! No, I don't want to go.
Officers! We've encountered a muted bus monster! Please, send help!
Okay. I'm coming.
I'm Kitten. Dad, we did it!
The city is safe! The courage and spirit of helping and protecting each other will always bring the light to our beautiful city.